The Design Center has these materials to get you started: silkscreen, vinyl, scissors, transfer tape, painter's tape, acrylic paint, paint spatula, squeegee, material to screen print on, but feel free to bring your own material as well. The Design Center has 2 Cricut machines and vinyl materials. Please feel free to use these resources to create your designs that will be used in the vinyl silk screening process. The Design Center has weeding tools to assist in removing vinyl pieces from your design. Please keep in mind that pieces you remove will be pieces that will work as part of the stencil for the final silkscreen design. Make sure your design is mirrored because once you silkscreen it, it'll be reversed. Once you have removed the vinyl pieces and have a completed stencil, cut a piece of transfer tape, which is available at the Design Center, that is slightly bigger than your design. Place it on top of your design and smooth it out to ensure that the design will stick to the tape. Then carefully remove the stencil with the transfer tape on top. If any pieces are not sticking, feel free to use your thumb and smooth them out. Remember to slowly remove the design. Now place your design onto the back of the silkscreen, where the silkscreen is not dipped into the frame. Once placed, smooth out the design to ensure that it will transfer onto the screen. Try to avoid any air bubbles, but if they do happen, try to smooth them out because paint will pool within these bubbles. Then slowly remove the transfer tape. Now, grab tape and cover all areas except the design stencil to block any unwanted paint from getting onto your material. If you do have air bubbles that cannot be smoothed out, try cutting the vinyl off only if it won't jeopardize your design. For example, bubbled vinyl on the corners. Grab the silkscreen board and place it on a flat surface. Then grab the silkscreen and place it into the clamps evenly and twist the clamps down until the silkscreen is firmly in place. Grab an acrylic paint color of your choice and use a paint spatula to glob it onto the top of the design in an even line. It is better to use more than a little paint. Lift the silkscreen and place your material underneath the silkscreen and try to align it where you'd like the design to be imprinted. Next, use a squeegee to firmly press down with your fingers spread apart and push down until your design is covered. All these tools and paint are available at the Design Center. Next, use the squeegee to push the paint back to the top, a technique called flooding. Keep reusing the stencil and paint. Once finished, please return the excess paint back into the original paint tub. You can also leave your materials on a Design Center drying rack overnight.